Hi guys, I'm going to be showing you today how to make a rainbow limb fishtail bracelet, and it looks like this. Let's get started. So first, you want to get a rubber band, it doesn't matter which color, and put it on 2 pegs. And then get your next color and put it on top of that, and your other one, and put it over. You always want 3 rubber bands on it. And then get your hook, get the bottom green, bring it over, get the other side of it and bring it over. And then you get your next color, put it on top, get this side of it and bring it over, get this side and bring it over. And get out your next color. Go like that, go like that, and bring it over. And you could keep on doing that until the bracelet fits your arm. And you might be doing a necklace or a ring too. So make sure it's long enough. I'm not going to finish the whole thing, so I'm going to show you how to do the C-clip with the bracelet that I showed the example with. So you want to get a C-clip. Put this rubber band on the C-clip. Get the other side. Like this, or not. And put that on the C-clip too. And then you're done. So that'll be the end of my video, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.